It's George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're going to have a look around the Leonardo Laura Beach and Splash Resort in Paphos. It's got lots of parking on the outside and it says it's a splash resort. I think it's because it's got a water park right on the other side. So we'll go through reception first, back of the hotel, through the pool, and have a look at the splash world, shall we? So there's this massive atrium. Look at that. That's amazing, isn't it, guys? And right on the corner is the great burger restaurant, Burgers and Shakes, an American theme. Look. Of course it's not open yet, it'll be open this evening. Look, that looks like a great old burger restaurant. Oh look, you can sit on some saddles on this bar and eat there on saddles. You can even wear a cowboy hat. That's the burger restaurant, the Cowboy Burger Restaurant. Now we've got a second atrium and an indoor restaurant and bar over there. First of all, we'll have a look at this ocean bar. There's lots going on around here. Look at this lovely bar. It looks like there's a restaurant as well down the other end, a cafe bar. We'll have a look at that in a minute. There's something else over here. Oh, I'm a bit overwhelmed by the amount of things going on in this main lobby area. Right, let's start over this corner, the Blue Horizon restaurant. Looks like a massive buffet restaurant, so this could be the main restaurant. There is a terrace. I'm going to see if I can get out to the terrace in a minute. Look, and it's got American theme. It's got benches and seats. There's the massive buffet area down there. Wow, that is impressive restaurant, very impressive. Look at this, conveniently located American style 1950s chairs. Let's go outside to the terrace. No, we're not going outside to the terrace. Yes we are. I thought they were automatic. There was no handles and I thought they were automatic. Well, there you are. Something going on, some entertainment. Go and have a look at that in a minute. Let's have a look at this terrace first. Look, more terrace area where you can relax, and also conveniently located benches and seats in little squares, so if you've got a group of you, you can sit in a group. Another terrace. Oh, it's very loud. Not sure. Oh, it's aqua aerobics, guys, that's why. There we are. There's the aqua aerobics going on, and there's an outdoor theatre as well. Grass area and the kids area. Look at the massive balconies. Now I'm gonna go back inside. Well, it's a bit quieter now. Once the aerobics is finished, it'll be much quieter, of course. Right, we've got a sports lounge as well, just here. All sorts of sports going on here on this screen, and another big screen. So if anyone's into sports. Right, so let's go through this door outside, you can hear the aerobics going on, and that's the sports pool. Just seen the sign, and that's why they're doing the aerobics and stuff over there. It's a little bit loud, but if you want a bit more peace and quiet, this is the main pool. Lovely grass area, and we got a bridge. Brilliant. So as we're going past the pool area, we go round and have a look at the splash pool, or the water park. Oh, there's a pool bar as well. I'm going to go around this way. A lifeguard. Oh, what's this raised pool about? Let's have a look. Oh, it's a jacuzzi. Oh, look at that. Oh, that. How about that? Relaxing the jacuzzi. It's a kids' playground out the way on that beautiful lawn. Perfect position. Oh, look at this. Wow. This looks like great fun for all the family, especially the adult children. We've got slides, and we've got fountains, and we've got all sorts going on here, and sunbeds and umbrellas all the way round. There's the splash world up there. Oh look, there's a beverage counter there. You can get soft drinks for €2.20 and all sorts of stuff. Red wine, cappuccinos at €3.85, and then food as well, some snacks. You get some sandwiches and a burger for €5. Cold sandwiches at just over €4. Brilliant. Table tennis, and we'll go on to Splash World, shall we? Have a look around. Right, so it's free to come in if you're staying here. Just come in, guys, enjoy this fantastic water park. We've got a slide, we've got massive slides up there, look, a massive one curling around. Let's go and have a look around anyway, see what's going on. Really is good fun. There are sunbeds around, so you can let the kids go wild here. There's one of those toilet ones, I like that. Let's go around the toilet one. Wow, so there's lots going on there at the water park. Now you have to have a band on. There we are. If you want to use the water park. If you're staying here, you'll have a band and you can go into the water park. Right, let's go back round this beautiful pool. Yet another kids pool and the bar. And what we do, we'll go down towards that amazing reception area. The escape games room. What's that all about? Let's go down and have a look. Oh, it's lower level, which is quite good. It'd be quite cool down here. So it's an escape game, look, and two people can go inside and play for €44. Or if you're a hotel guest, it's $35.20. Three people is €20 each if you're not a guest, or €48 for the three people if you're staying here. The escape rooms, lockdown Paphos. Sounds exciting, doesn't it, guys? Don't know if you'll ever get out, but it's worth giving it a go. Right, so we've got an indoor cafe as well. And this looks like the Italian indoor cafe. There's pasta. You can have salads and sandwiches, some lovely cakes, enjoy a slow beer or one of these fantastic coffees. Right, so we're back through the lobby. What an exciting hotel. Lots of things going on. Look, restaurants everywhere, ice cream, slow beers, bars, sports bars, people wearing armbands. I do believe they're all inclusive. And what we got here? Oh, these are the activities as well. Well, we saw the aerobics, didn't we? Oh, there's even pool games like scuba diving. There's Olympic Day on Friday. Oh, as a pirate day. A Disney Day on Sunday. Lots of... And look, there's a cinema. Probably in that theatre. And in the sports lounge we've got Crystal Palace versus Leeds and West Ham. Loads of things going on. A really exciting hotel. So we're back here at the atrium where you can relax and wait for some sort of transport. Oh, there is water as well and squash. If you come back from a long hot trip, help yourself to the squash and the water. So what an amazing place. Exciting hotel, I would call it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this amazing hotel. Activities for the whole family. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.